Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge in Pleasant Grove, Utah. At EagleRidge, we specialize in kitchen renovations, makeovers, and upgrades. Whether you're looking for custom designs or need expert kitchen remodeling contractors, we've got you covered. From new kitchen construction to custom kitchen design and planning, we create functional and beautiful spaces. Whether it's a kitchen addition, extension, or a complete renovation, EagleRidge ensures your kitchen is designed to suit your lifestyle. Our expert team offers comprehensive kitchen design services, including 3D design, layout planning, and interior design to bring your vision to life. Need more space? We specialize in custom cabinetry, built-in cabinets, pantry installations, and kitchen islands. Our storage solutions help you maximize every inch of your kitchen. Choose from a variety of countertop options, including granite, quartz, marble, and butcher block. We also provide tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring installation, plus floor refinishing services to give your kitchen a fresh new look. Enhance your kitchen's aesthetic with custom backsplash designs and wall paneling. Whether you prefer tile, glass, or stone, EagleRidge provides the perfect finish. We handle all kitchen lighting installations, including undercabinet, recessed, LED lighting, and skylights. Need plumbing or fixture installation? From sinks to garbage disposals, we've got it covered. Let us install built-in appliances, stoves, ovens, refrigerators, dishwashers, and more. We also offer electrical upgrades and smart home integrations to keep your kitchen cutting edge. For proper kitchen ventilation, we install vent hoods and exhaust fans. Plus, we offer structural modifications like wall removal and open concept transformations to maximize space. Add those personal details with custom woodwork, trim, molding, and painting. Our finishing touches create a polished, seamless look. We also specialize in eco-friendly kitchen remodeling, energy-efficient appliances, aging-in-place modifications, and luxury upgrades to enhance both comfort and sustainability. Don't worry about the mess. We handle demolition and site cleanup with waste disposal services to keep everything organized. We offer free estimates and design consultations. Our licensed and insured contractors will guide you through the entire process, from budget planning to project management. Whether you're into modern, traditional, farmhouse, minimalist, or contemporary designs, EagleRidge offers a wide variety of styles to suit your taste. We work with galley, L-shaped, U-shaped, island, and open floor plan layouts to create the kitchen of your dreams. At EagleRidge, we guarantee that your kitchen project in Pleasant Grove will align with your vision, combining function, beauty, and durability. For a free estimate, contact us today at 801-784-1457.